You finally did it. You saved $1,000, and now you have no idea what to do with it. Here is the scary part. If you leave it sitting in your bank account right now, inflation will quietly steal almost $40 from it this year alone. You saved it, but you could still lose it. In the next 2.5 minutes, I am going to show you the exact steps that millionaires take with their first $1,000. And step 3 is going to completely change how you think about money forever. I remember the first time I saved $1,000. I felt proud. I felt safe. I thought I was doing everything right, but I was actually making the biggest financial mistake of my life without even knowing it. Let me show you exactly what I should have done instead. Here is what nobody tells you about saving money. A savings account gives you around 2% interest per year. Inflation takes away 3 to 4% per year. So mathematically, you are losing money every single day. It sits there doing nothing. $1,000 today will only be worth $960 1 year from now. That is $40 gone, just like that, without spending a single cent.
So what do you actually do with it? Here are your exact next steps. Step 1. You protect yourself before you grow yourself. So open a high-yield savings account. Many offer 4 to 5% interest right now. Park your emergency fund there. Done. Now you are ready. Step 2. Take the remaining $500 and open a Roth IRA account today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where your money grows completely tax-free. You put in after-tax money now and you never pay taxes on it again. Not when it grows, not when you take it out at retirement. Put your $500 into one single investment, an S&P 500 index fund. This one fund automatically invests your money across the 500 biggest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, all of them in one single click. Warren Buffett himself said put 90% of your money in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. If you're 25 years old and you invest just $500 today and never add another dollar, by the time you are 65, that $500 becomes $22,000. You did nothing. You just waited. Now imagine adding just $50 every month. That same investment grows to over $150,000. That is the power of compound interest.
Now, here is the step most people completely skip, and it is the one that makes everything else actually work. Your biggest enemy is not the stock market. It is not inflation. It is not even debt. It is you. It is your emotions and your impulses. The solution is simple. Remove yourself from the equation completely. Set up an automatic transfer. Every single month on payday, a fixed amount goes directly into your Roth IRA and into your index fund automatically, before you even see it, before you can spend it. Morgan Housel, author of The Psychology of Money, says it best. The ability to do nothing is one of the most powerful skills in investing. You set it up once, and then you just live your life while your money quietly builds your future in the background. $1,000 is not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but it starts the habit. It builds the identity. You are no longer just a saver, you are now an investor. And that identity shift is worth more than the $1,000 itself. So here is your plan. Step 1, put $500 in a high-yield savings account. Step 2, open a Roth IRA and invest the other $500 into an S&P 500 index fund today. Step 3, automate a monthly contribution, even if it is just $50, and never touch it. That is it. 3 steps, $1,000, a completely different financial future. If this gave you value, hit the like button and subscribe, because next week I will show you exactly what to do when you hit $5,000. See you in the next one.